मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हम बात करेंगे एक कंडीशन SUI विच मीन्स स्ट्रेस यूरिनरी इनकॉन्टिनेंस। ये क्या है? Whenever there is a sudden pressure on the bladder and the urethra, the urine leaks, which can be few drops also and which can be इतना ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है कि वो सारे clothes को सोख ले। So which means जब हमारा stress होता है bladder के ऊपर, it causes the urine to leak. So this is stress urinary incontinence. There is another condition which is called as overactive bladder or urge incontinence, which is a got to go feeling. जैसे ही आपको सेंसेशन होता है कि मुझे यूरिन पास करना है, you are not able to control it, और immediately you have to rush to the washroom. So this is called as urge. ज़्यादातर हमने देखा है these two conditions they coexist in any person. How common it is? It has been seen about 1 in 3 women can have SUI at some part of their life. इसको और समझने के लिए हमें एक normal mechanism body में क्या होता है? Kidneys they form the urine. It goes to the bladder through the tubes which are called as ureters. और फिर ये urine हमारा bladder में store होता है. And whenever we get a chance to urinate, then this urine from the bladder passes into another tube which is called as urethra, and from where it is passed out. Now, bladder और urethra के बीच में sphincters होते हैं, which is most of the time these sphincters are closed. अगर ये closed नहीं हो तो सब time urine नहीं करेगा. They open only when there is a facility that we want to go to the washroom. But जब इसका problem हो जाता है, इसमें weakness होता है, या there is any problem, then the sphincter is not able to control it very well and the urine leaks out. The weakness of this sphincter causes the urine to leak. एक और भी चीज की वीकनेस जो पेल्विक के सारे जितने हमारे स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, ब्लैडर, यूरिथ्रा, वेजाइना, दे आर ऑल सपोर्टेड। एक मसल मास से ये सपोर्ट होते हैं, व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज अ पेल्विक फेशिया। द वीकनेस ऑफ दिस पेल्विक फेशिया आल्सो कैन कॉज SUI. व्हाट आर द रिस्क फैक्टर्स फॉर SUI? इन वुमेन प्रेगनेंसी एंड मल्टीपल चाइल्ड, बहुत ज्यादा जिनको 2 बच्चों के बीच में अंतर नहीं हो, एंड multiple deliveries, more like when they have more, जिन केसेस में देखा गया twin pregnancies है, and traumatic delivery, जैसे बहुत देर बच्चे ने बहुत देर तक उन्होंने पेन सहा है तब वो जाके नॉर्मली डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, या ट्रॉमेटिक डिलीवरी which means that forceps अप्लाई किया है या कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन हुआ है which causes the pelvic floor muscles to be damaged, and then this is one of the risk factors. Obesity, मोटापा, because of the increased fat in the tissue, they are also more prone to cause this SUI. खांसी, chronic coughing, बार-बार खांसने की वजह से हमारे abdomen पे प्रेशर बढ़ता है, इससे भी chances of SUI are more. Some injury to the lower back, जिसमें nerve injury होते हैं, they are also prone for having this SUI. Or there is any surgery with the pelvic floor. So these are few common risk factors. Others, they can be many causes. Now, how it affects life? Why don't we want this SUI? क्यों हम खेलने नहीं चाहते हैं? Whenever we run, whenever we lift any weight, the urine leaks. Some people say that I have a fear of being away from the bathroom most of the times. मैं ये देखती हूँ कहाँ bathroom नहीं है, तो I don't want to go to that place. Fear of changing clothes. Sometimes when they change clothes, sudden pressure पड़ता है थोड़ा, and then also they start leaking. They don't want to play with their kids. They don't want to go to the बच्चे बोलते हैं खेलने के लिए चलिए पार्क में चलिए. They are scared of going to the parks to play with the kids. And another is they are all the time smelling because of this leak. और जब frequent clothes changing नहीं हो पाता है, they keep on smelling. So they don't want to go to the parties. They are afraid of going into a gathering. They are afraid of having sex, so that while during the sexual relation the urine may not leak. So this is also one of the fears. Now how to test it? जब आपका डॉक्टर आपको एग्जामिन करते हैं हम लोग, when we do a pelvic examination, we put the fingers inside the vagina and we ask the person to cough or strain. जोर लगाने के लिए बोलते हैं हम नीचे. और अगर ये कंडीशन किसी को भी any person is having this SUI, then the urine leaks. So your doctor while examining you can test it whether you have this प्रॉब्लम होगा। The specialized tests which are done, normal routine तो check होता ही है, so as to urine routine and urine culture also. Now why this is tested is just to make sure that urine is not having any infection. Now the ultrasound studies they tell us, first we do an ultrasound with a full bladder और फिर आपको pass कराते हैं, and then how much is the residual urine in the bladder. That will also tell us whether your bladder is functioning appropriate or not. Few specialized studies are there, urodynamic studies. मशीनें चाहिए इसके लिए, so routinely we may do it, we may not do it, but yes, if it is indicated, urodynamic studies they tell us more about the functioning and how my bladder, urethra and everything is functioning. Cystoscopy, which means to see inside the bladder wall, वो कभी-कभी जरूरत पड़ सकता है अगर डॉक्टर को लगता है कि कुछ और भी कंडीशन या ब्लैडर के अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। Now what you can do if you have this? First is you can use absorbent pads. आप डे में absorbent pads लगा के रख सकते हो जो यूरिन को सोख करते हैं। We always advise the Kegels exercise for you. Now what these exercises is that we tell the person to contract the pelvic floor. नीचे से आप contract करिए, आप ऊपर को जोर लगाइए जिससे कि ये जो pelvic floor है ये contract होता है, sustain for few seconds और फिर छोड़ दीजिए. So it is repeated contractions and relaxations of your pelvic floor which makes the pelvic muscles strengthen. So after that, sometimes this SUI का condition में बहुत फर्क आ जाता है. Prevent constipation. Constipation is because of the constipation जब हम जोर लगाते हैं तो same thing. हम जोर लगाने से हमारे जो muscles हैं वो थोड़े weaken हो सकते हैं. Now what you can do is drink 6 to 8 glasses of water and you can take a laxative also in the night ताकि हमारे जो stools है वो constipated नहीं. Maintaining a healthy weight is very important. हम बार-बार इसको stress करते हैं that our lifestyle should be a very healthy one where we exercise daily, we take a healthy diet so that हमारा जो weight है वो हम ना बहुत पतले हों और ना ही हम मोटे. We have to maintain a healthy weight. If you are a smoker, you have to quit smoking because smoking leads to chronic coughing. और बार-बार खांसी आने से फिर हमारे एब्डोमेन पे जोर पड़ता है and we can have this stress urinary incontinence. So it's very important to treat cough. Any person who has got chronic cough, it should be treated. Bladder training. Bladder training का मतलब क्या होता है? हम एक bladder diary maintain करते हैं. In this bladder diary, you have to record how much you drink, how much you pass urine, or what time you leaks. There is a format for it. You have to fill that bladder diary. उससे हमें ये आइडिया हो जाएगा कि हमारी severity कितनी है and then we can have a bladder training program. Now what are the treatment options for it? One is vaginal devices. ये disposable भी होती है और non-disposable भी होती है. What the person is, they put the vaginal device, vaginal pessaries होती है which support the base of the bladder and the urethral sphincter so that the urine doesn't leak. Now a person keeps on doing the natural activity, जो day-to-day activity है वो हम इस vaginal pessary को लगा के कर सकते हैं. They are very safe. The only thing is what they have to be एक इनका cleanliness maintain करना पड़ता है. So they have to be frequently washed with the proper solutions and we have to prevent the infection because of this pessary. Surgical options. Surgical options mean there are urethral slings which is the most common. They are not very complicated surgeries but yes of course the surgical treatment options थोड़ा तो fiddling the body के साथ है but they are very effective. Now we put a sling जो support करता है हमारा urethra और bladder का junction. ये इससे because of these slings then the urethra is supported and there is a marked on these. After the sling operation there is definitely the SUI is treated. Urethral injections आते हैं जो bulking agents होते हैं. We inject them around the urethra. The purpose is only so that to support the sphincter and decrease this SUI. SUI can happen in the men also, and there are different type of slings also which can be used in men also. But the SUI, this is not very common in men. Women are more prone for it. As we age, the chances of SUI keeps on increasing because of the laxity of the muscles. Now there is a special treatment which is offered at our center Lavedas. We have a chair which is called as Emsella chair. Now how this helps? What this Emsella chair is? It's a high intensity, focused electromagnetic waves This technology, this is given to now these waves are given to the pelvic floor. Now this rehabilitates the weak pelvic muscles and restores the normal neuromuscular control. It's absolutely non-painful, non-surgical, office-hour procedure which takes half an hour. You are required to sit on a chair. The electromagnetic current, this contracts the pelvic floor muscles about 12,000 Kegels contraction in 30 minutes, which is not possible for any person to do on its own. It requires 6 to 8 sessions. They are given twice in a week, and you will see the noticeable difference after a few sessions. But after that, you will require a maintenance sessions also. Now, for more information, you can contact us.